Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. You're looking at an absolutely gorgeous 2017 McLaren 570S Creative BeSpoke 600 LT full conversion package. This beautiful car is tastefully modified. Fab speed downpipes, fab speed exhaust, M engineering tune, full front to back 600 LT body. Carbon absolutely everywhere. We did a ton of work to this car here at Davis AutoSports. We'll get into some of that here in a moment. Probably one of the finer 570s on the entire market as far as condition, upgrades. P0 tires. Honestly, if you're looking to get into the quote-unquote entry-level exotic, this is probably going to be the best bang for your buck right here, is this exact car right here. 20, I'm gonna say 24 or 26,000 miles. We'll give you the exact mileage on our website, davisautosports.com. I mean, just a absolutely beautiful car. Sounds amazing. We'll give you some audio clips here in a moment. Car rips as well over 800 horsepower. For what this car is going to sell for, it's going to look like a $250,000 car going down the road. It's going to perform like one and sound better than most cars out there, no matter what they are. We removed the rear bumper. The lower fins had your typical just road marks on them. We repaired all that. We do all carbon fiber work here, everything in-house. All the fins are very clean. While it was down, we wet sanded and polished the entire rear bumper as well. And the back side of this car, we do a ton of 720s here and some 765s, and I think, I mean, for this amount of money, you're not gonna get a back end of a car that looks this good. Full carbon spoiler. We also have the, I forget the brand, but we do have the wheel spacers on. The ones that are on here are like $600-700, which give the stance on this thing just, it really makes a huge difference. That is a 305/30/20. Just look at the condition of this paint, the body. If you want Tyreek Hill's truck, there it is. Which I doubt if you're looking at this, you want it. carbon on this thing is absolutely, I mean, it looks pretty much brand new. Beautiful metallic paint. That's not a dent, that's just a shadow. Headlights, we went ahead and wet sanded, polished, buff, and then we also expelled the headlights as well. We did this entire front bumper when we got the vehicle in was full carbon, and it also just had typical road debris on it. And we just, in my opinion, it was just too much carbon to have the entire front bumper, the hood. So we went ahead, removed the bumper, did a couple little repairs on it, and painted it. And as you see, absolutely perfect paintwork. We restore high-end vehicles here. We have a client that sent us his 599 Ferrari with 12,000 miles to do a full color change paint job. We're well known for our color changes. In addition to painting the bumper, we did it the right way. Silver, especially metallics, are impossible to match. We blended it up, and as you see, we also then, the right way is to clear the front fender. So we cleared it, and now that I tell you that, you won't even see where the blend was. It's just absolutely perfect. Silver, when the sun hits it, it's impossible to match, and it is a absolutely 100% match. We did the same thing on this side as well. You won't see any blend. Truly flawless job by our guys here. This gives the whole front end a brand new look. Carbon fiber hood is PPF'd as well. And just a beautiful, beautiful car for the money. Check out the bottom carbon, no road rashing, very, very clean. Jams perfect. That red is not that red in person. The aperture of the camera is making it much brighter than it actually is. This is also a wrap right there. Very highly optioned car from the factory. It's got all carbon options on the inside. Both hydraulic door cylinders are perfect. As you see here, carbon's in great condition. Ceramic Pro finish. Like I said, for an entry-level exotic price point, you're not gonna get a better, faster car than this. I mean, especially for performance. I mean, this car right now is absolutely smoking any Huracan unless it's turboed. I just had a STO. You can look at it on the website. I just had a STO 2023 with a VF engineering supercharger. And this car, honestly, like no BS, it pulls harder than that than the Huracan STO with a VF supercharger. I mean, this car just absolutely rips. Full carbon wheel, carbon shift paddles. The dash has zero leather issues whatsoever. Upgraded sound system. I mean, she's just a beauty. Let's get some starts. Let's get a couple revs. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time to warm up, even though it is pretty warm right now.